Hello YouTube, Tug Hill RC here. Going to go ahead and unbox the EC1500. I took the liberty of cutting the tape already. Oh, what a pretty box. And here's my EC1500. I'm going to go ahead and get her out of the box here. Big box. I love big boxes. And that's good. Any slight damage here, anywhere. And let's go ahead and not waste no time, and we'll get her right out here. I like buying the binding flag because that way I don't have to buy a receiver separately, and for the cost difference it's fairly cheap to go ahead and do that. Saves a little money overall. There we go. Now, if I do this right, go. Almost done. Not wasting any time. There we go. All out. Okay, as you can see, all the parts are in. You got your manual that comes with it. It's got a binding plug, which I have no idea why he threw one of those in there, because it should be push button. I got the Coast Guard livery on it, as well as the United States Air Force livery. I'll be using the Air Force livery on this model. And we'll speed along the unboxing here. Go. And there's the manual in that. Okay, 2 spars, one for the tail and one for the wing. Pulling out first wing, no damage to it. Everything looks good. They've got the ailerons linked already with the link. You can see right here the link's in. Not real thrilled about it, but I'm going to end up going more flaps myself. Okay. This is a set of skis. I'm going to set those aside for now. I probably will not use the skis on it. I'll probably use the floats for flying off the snow. Only because I feel it's better. Okay, and here's the second wing. Take it out. Take a look. No damage. Really impressed with the matchup on the tape over the servos. The color's incredibly close. So again, this one's linked again for more aileron. As I said, I'll probably go more flat with it, only because I feel it's a better situation. Okay, here's your tail feathers. The horizontals, they're in good shape, no damage. Here's the horizontal. Other than some foam pieces, it looks pretty good shape. Again, incredible match. We have the twin spinners, complete, left and right. We got the magnetic piece for the front that goes for where your FPV camera would mount if you're not using it. You have the two 5-bladed props, which we'll set over here for now. Looks like there's no damage so far, and I'm very happy that there is no damage so far. Okay, here's our hardware kit, and we have skis, our for the floats, and the extra pieces, so we can go ahead and do the links. And here we go for the big piece. Okay, and I like to go ahead and use a plane stand for this. And this plane stand was signed by Pilot Ryan and Bobby K. And I'm very proud of them signing that. Pilot Ryan will always be one of my friends, and I will always watch and enjoy his shows. I don't comment all the time, but I do watch them. Okay, so we gotta get rid of the bubble wrap here, and there's some foam down in there. I'm checking for extra pieces just in case. Make sure I put that foam away. All right. Yeah, a lot of little bits and pieces here. Okay, we're gonna get the main body out now. Oh, she's sweet. That looks better than the Finding Nemo one I had. I sold it to a friend because I knew I was going to get this one, and I was super happy to find out they were making changes. No damage to it. Looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and set that to my stand now. That's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is Doug Hill RC. And I'll do another video on the build.